Great for decorative and landscaping projects. Only high-quality fibers are used. Contains oil in the manufacturing process. Packaged in a shrink-wrapped coilette. Working load 81 pounds. Top reviews from the United States. Seems sturdy enough. I needed something to use for a scratching post for my cats. What seems to be a natural woody scent, seemed to attract them to it right away. They kept wanting to play with it while I was trying to put it on. It did leave a bit of a mess while doing that, but nothing that couldn't be swept up quickly. No mess so far after it's been up, and they've clawed on it a few times so far. It's not as long as I thought it would be. I managed to wrap about 3.5 feet of a 4x4 post. I probably should have bought 2 for what I intended to do with it, but it still works out for the most part. I think they like it, so it's a win.